How to fix Grindr app not working error. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. First things first, launch the settings application on your device and tap on Wi-Fi, and make sure that you are connected to a proper working internet connection, and if not, then you can switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. See if that helps, and if not, then go ahead and open App Store on your device and tap on the search bar and search for the Grindr application, and make sure the Grindr application is updated to its latest version, and if not, then go ahead and update the app further. See if that helps, and if not, then open settings again and tap on general and then tap on the iPhone storage option. Here, scroll through and navigate to the Grindr application and tap on it, and then tap on the offload app option and offload the app and reinstall the app again and see if that helps. If not, then you might need to completely delete the app in order to give the app a fresh restart. So, on your home screen, tap hold on the Grindr application and you will see the option for remove app. Tap on that and then tap on the delete app option and then tap on delete again. Once deleted, open App Store again and reinstall the application from your App Store, and once reinstalled, launch the app and your issue should have been fixed by now. If not, then it also could be the server issue, so you might simply need to wait for the Grindr app server to be working just fine in order to use the app smoothly. So these were a few fixes on how you can fix Grindr app not working. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.